Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. So in the previous video we added settings header and we added all the things that were missing since we have updated the settings header, and in this video we are going to like bring those things to dynamic behavior, meaning on the admin side we are going to manage that. So let's just log into the application. I'm going to copy the credentials. Okay, I am logged into the application and you can see we got 404 page on admin/settings. And I think the first thing we need to do is to add a dashboard to this. So let's go to um, routes. Let's go to web.php, and here on the admin you can see we have this settings which is pointing directly to admin/settings, but I think instead of this we should have like a dashboard UI. So I am going to just quickly add that. Let's say dashboard, and let's say admin dashboard. Since this is all using the livewire components, so let's just quickly create a component for that using php artisan mac livewire admin/dashboard component, and it has been created. Let's go back to the routes, and we are going to use that admin/dashboard, and let's save this and go to admin/dashboard. Okay, this is admins, not admin, so we need to create another one with that. Oh, we need to comment the line admins/dashboard. Okay, it has been created. We can set up the application and then we can use that right here, and also this is a dashboard. Okay, let's go to admin dashboard. We are going to remove this other one that we just created, since we don't need that. All the things that are related to admin are right here. And here what we are going to do is on the dashboard we are going to display all the overview of the application, like how many total entries are done and what are the entries that are done today or something like that. So let's start with the employees. We have employee model. Okay, employee all. Then we have doctors, then we have patients, then we have nurses, then we have rooms. And let's just make sure that we are on the right we do this on the right way, because we just need to count them, right? We just need to show a count of that, and I think after that we can show. Let's just have a look at the models. Let's say total users maybe. Let's see. Okay, so total appointments, yeah, we can show that on the admin panel. After that we can show total number of beds and bills. I don't think we need to add builds beds. Let's have entry for birth reports. After that we have operation reports. After that we have patients, but do we have the patient model? Yeah, we do have. Okay, after that we can show the nurses, but we don't have the nurse model. Okay, let's check manually. We have head of departments. Yeah, we can show head of department, HODs and HOD count. After that we have blocks. After that we have departments, and after that we should have rooms as well. Medicines might be a lot, so we don't have to count them in. We have beds, so let's just count them in. After that we have medicines again. I'm not gonna add medicines. And after that we have patient checkup, payments, roles, rooms, settings, stay, subscribers, yeah, email subscribers, subscriptions or subscribers. Okay, after that we can show the patient checkup, and we have roles, requested appointments. Yeah, we have to show this is an important one, and I think we can consider this the last one. Okay, and now let's go to this view, and if you look at the settings, this was the first one that was displayed over there. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to update this for us and make it like a dashboard. Help me create a nice looking admin dashboard for this. Okay, so we have a code from ChatGPT, so let's just paste it into our view and let's give it a try. And before we do that, we need to update the default page as well. So when you log into the application, you will be brought to the dashboard, not this other page. So for that I think we need to go to login service provider. Let's go to login controller and authenticate guest. We have admin controller, yeah, slash admin. I think we can redirect to slash admin slash dashboard. Now if we go to admin slash dashboard, page not found. Okay, we also have to use the layouts in the dashboard, so it will be like that. It's showing 404 on all the pages that we have on the admin side. So let's just check this super admin middleware that we have here, and it's checking whether the authentic user is super admin or not. And if it is super admin, then go ahead and like proceed, otherwise show for fourth page. So for now I'm going to comment this out and allow all the requests to go through, so that there is no issue for us to view the dashboard, and we will modify that accordingly um, when we come to that. Okay, so we do have like we are able to view the dashboard, but there are some errors. So let's check out the birth reports. It says undefined variable, so I have to check out the birth reports like this, then refresh again. Okay, now seems to be looking good, but maybe we can use different colors and font icons. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to apply those. Okay, the code has been generated, so let's just copy paste it right here and then refresh the page. Okay, now you can see it's looking good. So far we have these things, and sidebar, we are going to add a dashboard right here as well. So let's do that. Total departments 2, total blocks 2, total HODs 2, total patients 2. You can see looking good so far, and this can be improved as well. So let's go ahead and add this sidebar. Let's add this dashboard to the sidebar. So I'm going to go to layouts. It's inside layouts folder, and also we need to remove this since we don't need that one. But admin slash layouts slash app.blade.php, and here I'm gonna add the first entry will be the dashboard. Okay, we already have the route, so the route for that is like admin underscore dashboard, and let's see, refresh the page. Okay, you can see we got the dashboard right here, and if I click on it, it should redirect me to this page where I can see the dashboard. Now moving on to the settings. So setting is it here at the last. We need to update this so that the settings that we have, we can update them. So to do that, I'm going to go to setting model, and instead of all, I'm going to just get all the settings, get all from the settings model. And we are going to show directly a form where you can edit settings, and you can update it as you want. And also we can create different sections in it. So for the logo stuff, there can be like images, etc., and for others there can be different stuff. But let's see how can we do it. Let's fill up the settings model. Settings. I'm going to remove all these stuff. I don't think we need it. We will write it from scratch using the setting model. Then let's go to settings, and we have to pass this into the view like this. And now here we're going to make changes. So I'm just telling ChatGPT that this is these are the settings that we have, and we want to be able to update them from the admin side. And now I have to pass this so that it's going to update this for me as well. Okay, we got the code. We can put it right here. Okay, one thing we it did here is it created the settings, and if you look at the settings view, it's using a looping through like all of them, and putting the keys and values accordingly, and it's gonna create a form dynamically. And one thing that will go wrong in here is that for the files, it's not gonna show the input type file. So that's what we need to update this. And before that, looking at this, looking at it's just getting the keys and values, and updating, it's created this method. We are like looping through all the settings that we got and updating them on the setting model. You can see, get the first one, update the value. But let's see how it looks like. Okay, we got an error. The settings is considered in a string, but let's see if I can dd. Okay, these are the keys and values, you can see, but why is it not allow me to loop through it? Setting and get okay. So I think it's like there are no keys and values in that. So oh, here we have the updated code for that one. Okay, so we got the settings and now they are dynamic. You can see we can put the things that we can. But one thing, if you notice, is the definitely the file should be like file type, and we are going to ask them to do this for us. Okay, now let's give it a try. Oh, we got an error. Okay, so this error seems to be internal livewire error, and after googling, I found this post report on and discussions on livewire, and they are saying that you need to republish the livewire assets because the current ones are outdated. So let me just try that out. Okay, so now that issue has been fixed, so let's add some stuff. I added two images, and for the Facebook and all these things, let's just put Google for all of them since we are just testing. Let's save the changes and see if it works. Okay, seems like there's been saved. Let's see, refresh the page. Oh, not saved actually. Okay, so what we do is, let's see, on submit we are calling this method, and all the keys and values are fast. But okay, if the if it is logo, then do that. Oh, so it's actually working. Okay, my bad. We can put the input values for all of them, and now we can click on save, and it's going to update the values, and the values are being updated. Okay, so that is all about settings and dynamic settings that we just added. And if we add more settings, it is going to be automatically fold right here in the setting model. And if it is a file, then we do have to update the code so that it's gonna get updated right here as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one where we will keep updating and upgrading this Laravel hospital management system.